Hi guys, everybody asked me about my skin, how I keep it really healthy and glowy. I don't use a lot of makeup as you guys know. So I kind of like wanted to share with you a little bit video how I do it daytime and nighttime. Okay, so I'm going to start with the night regimen. It's the most important. Remember, nighttime we are correcting, daytime we prevent. So I'm going to start at nighttime. So what I do first, I wash. After I wash, I dry it really well. First night, only first night, I do retin-A or retinol. Only with that, nothing else. Neck cream, eye cream. That's the first night. Go to sleep. Second night, we're washing our face. Dry it really well. And then after, I put Glypro all over my face. Eye cream, neck cream. Whatever left on your hand. Your hand is important too. It's amazing to take care of those two. Third night. Third night, I wash, I dry, take my roller, I roll it for maybe 5 minutes, really nice, all over. On the eye area, on the neck, I'm going to show you how I'm doing it. And then on the neck and everywhere. Then I take my stem cell, I put it all over, neck cream, eye cream, and I go to sleep. That's the 3 night. And then after, you start from the beginning. Retinol, glycolic acid, roller, stem cell. Continue with eye cream and neck cream all the time. And also with your hand, don't forget it. Okay, so my loofah. Dry really good, because if you put retin-A and retinol, and if it's not dry, it actually will sit on the surface. So it's great for a teenager, but when we're talking about anti-aging, we want it to penetrate. So we want it really dry. So retin-A or retinol, the surface needs to be completely dry. Okay, now I feel I'm dry, I'm good, perfect, beautiful. Now I take, I'll show you how much, just a little. Then I'm gonna put it all over. Don't put it on your eyes, put it all over. Don't forget your eye cream, okay? Perfect. Then my neck cream. Go to sleep. First night. Second night. Wash. Perfect. Second night, light roll. That's enough. It's very thick, so don't put too much. It's nice. Just put it all over. What left on your hand? Don't forget, it's amazing. Okay, then neck cream. Eye cream. Second night, go to sleep. Third night, wash your face. Roller. Roll it. Some people can do it on the décolleté, it's fine. It's beautiful also there for if you have any kind of like crinkle or anything, it's great. After I'm doing that for like 5 minutes and I feel that I really poke myself everywhere, that's mean we create a micro injury to your skin. And when we're doing that, our brain gets a signal to heal. So that's amazing for anti-aging. Beautiful, I love it. After I'm doing that, I take my stem cell. Some people, sometimes I change it to stem cell, sometimes I change it to peptide. Both of them are amazing. I just kind of like play with that also, that the skin will not get used to it. So I do it, I put all over. And I put my neck cream. This one is peptide. So love it. It is my favorite today. Whatever left, and hand. Third night, go to sleep. Then after, you start from first one. Routine A, glycolic acid, roller, stem cell. Always, don't forget eye cream, neck cream. That's it for the night regimen.